Artificial intelligence has revolutionized the world we live in by automating mundane tasks and enabling machines to learn from data. It has drastically impacted various industries, such as healthcare, finance, and retail, and has enabled us to solve complex problems with ease. In this video, we will explore the various AI tools that have emerged in recent years and how they are enhancing the way we work. So join us on this journey as we delve into the exciting world of artificial intelligence tools. Github Copilot is an AI-powered coding assistant developed by GitHub and OpenAI that can generate code suggestions in real time using machine learning algorithms. It uses OpenAI's GPT technology, which allows it to understand natural language instructions and produce relevant code snippets based on the task at hand. GitHub Copilot works by analyzing the codebase, context, and programming language to help developers write code faster and with fewer errors. It suggests code snippets, function parameters, and even entire functions based on the code that has already been written. Developers can use the suggestions made by Copilot to speed up their coding process, or they can use the tool to explore new programming languages. One significant advantage of GitHub Copilot is that it can help mitigate the problem of repetitive tasks in software development. It saves developers time by suggesting code snippets they can use, allowing them to focus on more complex, creative aspects of programming. Luma 5 is an automated video creation platform that utilizes artificial intelligence AI technology to enable users to turn their written content into videos. It's a cloud-based tool that allows users to create social media videos, ads, explainer videos, and other types of video content quickly and easily. Luma 5 utilizes AI to analyze and understand the text to identify key points that can be transformed into engaging visuals. With this technology, Luma 5 is able to automate the complete video creation process, including research, storyboard creation, image sourcing, video editing, and audio adding. Users can input their written content or social media posts into Luma 5's platform, and their AI technology will help generate a video, which can be modified and customized from the user's dashboard. Additionally, Luma 5 offers a library of photos, videos, and soundtracks, so users can experiment with different styles and formats for their videos. Luma 5 is known for being user-friendly and requires little to no prior video editing experience. Users are provided with step-by-step guides to follow, and the platform's AI technology makes most of the decisions for them. For anyone looking to create quick, engaging video content without investing a lot of time, Luma 5 might be an excellent choice. The application called Simplified aims to shorten and facilitate your content creation stages thanks to artificial intelligence support. It can automatically create visuals with the features you specify. Thanks to the assistant feature, you only need to specify what you want. The application called Simplified contains a wide variety of templates. You can create professional videos with Simplified. It is very suitable for creating original content suitable for search engine optimization. You can also create blog posts with this application. The application focuses on graphic design, video, animation, social media management, AI copywriter in general. With the social inbox feature, it can show you all messages from social media by categorizing them in a single window. Copy.ai is an artificial intelligence tool that uses natural language processing to generate high-quality, original content for various purposes, such as marketing, ads, and social media. Some of its key features include 1. Content creation. Copy.ai generates content for a wide range of formats and media, including social media posts, email subject lines, product descriptions, headlines, and much more. 2. Optimization. By analyzing user data, Copy.ai optimizes your content for improved engagement, readability, and click-through rates, which enhances the overall performance of your content. 3. Personalization. Copy.ai utilizes machine learning algorithms to analyze data and create personalized messages that resonate with specific audiences, increasing your chances of successfully engaging them. 4. Efficiency. Copy.ai's AI-driven content creation process speeds up the content creation process while producing high-quality and original content in a matter of minutes. 5. Multiple language support. Copy.ai currently offers support for multiple languages, including English, Spanish, French, German, Dutch, and more. 6. Integration. Copy.ai can integrate with other tools like Zapier, Slack, and Google Sheets, streamlining the content creation process across different platforms. Overall, Copy.ai is a powerful and versatile AI tool that helps businesses to create engaging and high-quality content effortlessly, saving individuals and teams time and money. You need to spend a long time doing search engine optimization, but the Scalenut application saves you time with artificial intelligence support. It helps you create blog sites suitable for search engine optimization and get to the top of search engines. All this with natural language processing. The program called Runway creates images in the form of photos and videos thanks to the support of artificial intelligence. This program produces images by processing the keywords you provide. It has the feature of enlarging the photo by filling the appropriate images around the photos you have given in parts. Ray imagines a photo you upload and creates it in different ways. This includes vector shapes as well. It can remove unwanted objects from photos. There is an object in the video that you do not want and you want to delete it. It has the feature of enlarging the photo by filling the appropriate images around the photos you have given in parts. Ray imagines a photo you upload and creates it in different ways. Introducing the future of music production, Beathoven, the innovative application that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to create sensational pieces of music. With Beathoven, you can easily create mesmerizing tracks in just a few clicks, no matter what your level of expertise is. Harness the creative abilities of a genius to craft music that resonates with you and the world. Turn your creative vision into stunning, high-quality compositions with Beethoven's easy-to-use interface. Choose from a plethora of music styles and let AI do the heavy lifting, creating melodies, harmonies, and complex arrangements that will leave you in awe. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized the way we approach various tasks, including document summarization and answering questions on those documents. With the help of AI, we now have chat PDF programs that provide users with a convenient and efficient way of summarizing complex documents and answering questions related to them. These programs use advanced algorithms to analyze the documents, extract key points, and provide accurate summaries. Moreover, they are user-friendly and easy to use, making them a perfect tool for individuals and businesses that deal with complex documents regularly. With chat PDF programs, users can save time and increase productivity by getting quick answers to their questions and essential insights on the go. As Scite.ai is an innovative search tool designed to make academic research easier and more efficient than ever before. With the help of artificial intelligence, this program can scan through vast databases of scholarly publications and quickly identify the most relevant papers for your needs. Whether you're a student looking for sources for a research paper or a professional researcher seeking to stay on top of the latest developments in your field, Scite.ai is the ideal resource for anyone looking to streamline the document search process. With its advanced algorithms and user-friendly interface, this cutting-edge program is sure to become a cornerstone of academic research for years to come. Notion is a revolutionary note-taking application that has taken the world by storm with its powerful features and intuitive interface. What sets Notion apart from other note-taking apps is its use of artificial intelligence to help you organize and manage your notes on a text-based basis. With Notion, you can easily create notes, to-do lists, calendars, and more. However, the application's AI capabilities provide you with suggestions and recommendations on how to structure your notes, helping you stay organized and more productive. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who wants to stay on top of things, Notion is the perfect tool to help you achieve your goals. You can even learn to code with Notion. With the support of artificial intelligence, it can even create a document for you on sample coding. As an example, I asked her to give an example of connecting to Scala database with C language, and Notion successfully completed it. The artificial intelligence application called Wonder Studio offers a high-level editing option to your video by replacing the characters in your video with other characters. You don't have to be a professional to do this. You don't have to do hours of work. Previously, these processes were very arduous processes. You can apply effects to your main character in your video using the ready-made templates available in the application. You can get great output by using animated characters in real areas. It is possible to get very professional results by doing these operations. Of course, as seen in the examples, you may not always get good results. However, developments in this area are progressing very rapidly. Another artificial intelligence application has ready-made avatars in its library. When you copy the ready-made texts you have created to the application, the avatar speaks according to the text. You have the option to change the background of the avatar. Thanks to this application, it is easier for you to prepare promotional videos and training videos in different languages. Now let's examine the result of our sample experiment.
Are you tired of manually creating videos for your content? With Dall E, you can easily transform your text into engaging videos with just a few clicks. The technology uses artificial intelligence to automatically generate visuals and animations based on the content you provide. To get started, simply upload your text to the Dall E platform. You can then customize the video by selecting a theme, adding music, and adjusting the video length.
Adobe Firefly is an artificial intelligence-supported system designed by Adobe. This system consists of text and image creation tools. Adobe first released the beta version of Firefly. It is an important and advantageous application at the point of speeding up workflows and increasing creativity. It also stands out in terms of generating new ideas and developing ways of communicating. Text effects can be used to apply texture and style to texts. A text rendering style is used by utilizing the property. Texts can be given personality, texture, and style. Plain text. It can be made into many shapes such as leaves, beads, trees. It is stated that the feature of recoloring vectors with text prompt will be integrated into Firefly very soon. Color variations of vector graphics created using a written information system can be created. Graphics can be recolored quickly. Recoloring vectors is fast and detailed with Adobe Firefly. By creating pictures on the text, its attractiveness can be increased. Images can be created from text even without a skilled designer. It plays an important role in creating precise, unique, and accurate texts. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a natural language processing tool driven by AI technology that allows you to have human-like conversations and much more with the chatbot. The language model can answer questions and assist you with tasks such as composing emails, essays, and code. ChatGPT is scary good. We are not far from dangerously strong AI, said Elon Musk, who was one of the founders of OpenAI before leaving. Sam Altman, OpenAI's chief, said on Twitter that ChatGPT had more than 1 million users in the first 5 days after it launched. Also, ChatGPT, who's using the AI tool and why? According to analysis by Swiss bank UBS, ChatGPT is the fastest growing app of all time. The analysis estimates that ChatGPT had 100 million active users in January, only 2 months after its launch. For comparison, it took 9 months for TikTok to reach 100 million users. How can you access ChatGPT? You can access ChatGPT simply by visiting chat.openai.com and creating an OpenAI account. Once you sign in, you can start chatting away with ChatGPT. Get your conversation started by asking a question. Because ChatGPT is still in its research stage, it is free to use and you can ask as many questions as you'd like. As of May 18th, you can also access ChatGPT via an app on your iPhone. How much does ChatGPT cost? ChatGPT is free to use, regardless of what you use it for, including writing, coding, and much more. The paid subscription model guarantees users extra perks, such as general access even at capacity, faster response times, and access to the internet through plugins. What is the difference between ChatGPT and a search engine? ChatGPT is a language model created to hold a conversation with the end user. A search engine indexes web pages on the internet to help the user find the information they asked for. The free version of ChatGPT does not have the ability to search the internet for information. It uses the information it learned from training data to generate a response, which leaves room for error. What are ChatGPT's limitations? Despite looking very impressive, ChatGPT still has limitations. Such limitations include the inability to answer questions that are worded in a specific way, as it requires rewording to understand the input question. A bigger limitation is a lack of quality in the responses it delivers, which can sometimes be plausible sounding but make no practical sense or can be excessively verbose. Instead of asking for clarification on ambiguous questions, the model just guesses what your question means, which can lead to unintended responses to questions. This limitation has already led developer question and answer site Stack Overflow to at least temporarily ban ChatGPT-generated responses to questions. The primary problem is that while the answers that ChatGPT produces have a high rate of being incorrect, they typically look like they might be good and the answers are very easy to produce, say Stack Overflow moderators in a post. Critics argue that these tools are just very good at putting words into an order that makes sense from a statistical point of view, but they cannot understand the meaning or know whether the statements it makes are correct. Is there a tool that can detect ChatGPT text? With concerns about students using ChatGPT to cheat, the need for a ChatGPT text detector is becoming more evident. OpenAI, the AI research company behind ChatGPT, released an imperfect, free tool to target this problem. OpenAI's classifier tool can only correctly identify 26% of AI-written text with a likely AI-written designation. Furthermore, it provides false positives 9% of the time, incorrectly identifying human-written work as AI-produced work. Is ChatGPT a good or bad thing? ChatGPT is an advanced chatbot that has the potential to both make people's lives easier and assist with everyday tedious tasks, such as writing emails or navigating the web for answers. However, certain technical details have to be figured out before it's widely used to prevent negative outcomes, such as the spread of misinformation. In general, AI and machine learning models rely on lots of training and fine-tuning to reach a level of ideal performance. What is Dall E? Dall E is a generative AI technology that enables users to create new images with text-to-graphics prompts. Functionally, Dall E is a neural network and is able to generate entirely new images in any number of different styles as specified by the user's prompts. The name Dall E is an homage to the two different core themes of the technology, hinting at the goal of merging art and AI technology. The first part, Dall, is intended to be evocative of famous Spanish surreal artist Salvador Dali, while the second part E is related to the fictional Disney robot Wall-E. The combination of the two names reflects the abstract and somewhat surreal illustrative power of the technology that is automated by a machine. Dall E was developed by AI vendor OpenAI and first launched in January 2021. The technology uses deep learning models alongside the GPT-3 large language model as a base to understand natural language user prompts and generate new images. Dall E is an evolution of a concept that OpenAI first began to talk about in June 2020, originally called Image GPT, that was an initial attempt at demonstrating how a neural network can be used to create new high-quality images. With Dall E, OpenAI was able to extend the initial concept of Image GPT to enable users to generate new images with a text prompt, much like how GPT-3 can generate new text in response to natural language text prompts. How does Dall E work? Dall E works by using a number of technologies including natural language processing, large language models, and diffusion processing. Dall E was built using a subset of the GPT-3 leaders LM. Instead of the full 175 billion parameters that GPT-3 provides, Dall E uses only 12 billion parameters in an approach that was designed to be optimized for image generation. Just like the GPT-3 leaders LM, Dall E also makes use of a transformer neural network, also simply referred to as a transformer, to enable the model to create and understand connections between different concepts. Technically, the approach that enables Dall E was originally detailed by OpenAI researchers as zero-shot text-to-image generation and explained in a 20-page research paper released in February 2021. Zero-shot is an AI approach where a model can execute a task, such as generating an entirely new image, by using prior knowledge and related concepts. What is Looka? Looka is an artificial intelligence-powered graphic design platform that lets you design a brand identity from scratch, starting with your logo. After you design and purchase a logo, you can use your brand kit to generate marketing materials like business cards, social posts, letterheads, posters, and more. In short, everything you need to make your business look great from day one. You can also sign up to Looka's website builder to create a business site, online store, portfolio, or blog using customizable themes and a drag-and-drop editor. After you use Looka to make your logo, the platform can quickly generate other assets you need for your brand based on that logo, and you'll barely have to lift a finger, which is important because time is of the essence when you're starting a business. Many other logo makers offer editable templates, which means the logo designs they generate are limited and not unique, whereas another platform might offer a few hundred templates. We use a non-templated approach to logos and provide thousands of different symbols, fonts, colors, and layouts. The combination of each of these four inputs, what we call ingredients, allows Looka's AI-powered technology to generate endless designs. Our platform also uses machine learning to apply design principles around color contrast, visual hierarchy, font pairings, stacked text, and more. In a nutshell, artificial intelligence does the heavy graphic design lifting and idea generating, but you have the ultimate creative control in choosing your favorite logos and editing them until you're 100% happy. Luma introduces Imagine 3D, a new way to create 3D with text. This new feature is currently in early access but will soon be available to everyone. With Imagine 3D, users can create 3D objects and scenes by simply typing text. The software will leverage Luma's advanced technology in computer vision, machine learning, and rendering to create lifelike images in 3D. Luma's target market is app developers and businesses that incorporate 3D and mixed reality technology into their products and services. Luma's API and Imagine 3D will enable developers to create more engaging and realistic experiences for their customers, which can improve customer satisfaction and brand loyalty. The main use cases for Luma's technology are in creating 3D models and environments for apps and products. Specifically, Luma's technology can be used for 3D modeling, object reconstruction, 3D scanning, visual effects, and photorealistic rendering. In summary, Luma Labs is a software development company that specializes in 3D photography, computer vision, machine learning, augmented reality, and 3D computer graphics. Its mission is to enable everyone to capture and experience the world in lifelike 3D. With its API and Imagine 3D, Luma aims to bring about a next-step function change in how we share memories, explore products, and spaces on the internet while leveraging the latest advances in neural rendering, deep learning, and compute. Luma's target market is app developers and businesses that incorporate 3D and mixed reality technology into their products and services in industries such as gaming, virtual reality, augmented reality, and e-commerce. Now, it's Microsoft's turn to introduce an AI image generation tool. Microsoft Designer is the latest introduction to Microsoft's already bulging toolbox. If you're wondering about this new addition and if you should use it, then we've got the answers. The company introduced Microsoft Designer in late 2022. However, it was on the back burner until April 2023, when Microsoft published a blog post to help users understand the latest functionality of Microsoft Designer. The post showcased the best of what Designer can do and invited users to try out the web-based AI software for themselves. Similarly to the introduction of Adobe Firefly, Adobe's generative AI tool, Microsoft Designer is only available in preview, a web-based beta platform available to anyone. This AI tool features a similar setup to other AI software, such as Adobe Firefly's vector recoloring tool, by presenting a text box to its users. There are limited other tools involved. No fill tool or pen tool like traditional creative software offers. When you head to Microsoft Designer, you're presented with a very basic page. One large text box to write your prompt and a generate button. You can also add your own image to the prompt box or choose from a pre-designed template to assist your prompt generation. Once you've chosen your generated template, you can further customize it. Select any element of the design, and a pop-up will appear, allowing you to make specific changes to that element. There's also a small toolbar where you can add further media and visuals, text, or your branding with Brand Kit. If you know how to use Canva's Brand Kit, Designer's Brand Kit works similarly. Designer offers most social media format images like Instagram stories and Facebook banners. It also offers video templates if you want something more dynamic. And, of course, it has custom sizes so you can create a design that fits your needs exactly. The web app also delivers more results. Most of its competitors like Adobe Firefly and Canva Magic only offer 4 alternative image generations. But with Designer, you get as many as 15 options. With so many AI creation competitors on the market, it's a wonder who Microsoft Designer is for. Because it's directly integrated with Microsoft Edge, it's perfect for users who don't want to deal with third-party services. Anyone who wishes to create simple social media templates or posters would benefit from Microsoft Designer's results. The software itself, however, feels a little clunky to use without much instruction. While it is a simple tool, it isn't an obvious tool if you're not an intuitive designer already. Microsoft Designer feels like another tool to hit a growing saturated market. Only time will tell if it becomes a powerful app graphic designers will seek or just another novelty software. Have you ever wished you could conjure a picture straight out of your imagination? You now can within a matter of minutes, thanks to image generators like Midjourney. It doesn't matter if you lack artistic skills or haven't even held a paintbrush in your life. Artificial intelligence can do all of the heavy lifting. All you need is a bit of text that describes the image you have in mind. But where did Midjourney come from all of a sudden, and how does it work? Midjourney is an example of generative AI that can convert natural language prompts into images. It's only one of many machine learning-based image generators that have emerged of late. Despite that, it has risen to become one of the biggest names in AI alongside Dall E and Stable Diffusion. With Midjourney, you can create high-quality images from simple text-based prompts. You don't need any specialized hardware or software to use it either, as it works entirely through the Discord chat app. The only downside, you'll have to subscribe to a Midjourney plan before you can start generating images. That's unlike much of the competition, which generally provides at least a few image generations for free. Still, the barrier to entry with Midjourney is extremely low, and anyone can use it to generate real-looking images within a matter of minutes. The results can range from uncanny to visually stunning, depending on the prompt. In some cases, images from Midjourney have even deceived experts in photography and other domains. Likewise, you may have seen some extremely convincing AI-generated images on social media. Unlike Dall E, which is backed by ChatGPT's creator OpenAI, Midjourney describes itself as a self-funded and independent project. Moreover, it hasn't received any external funding to date. On the other hand, OpenAI has raised as much as $10 billion from Microsoft and a handful of other investors. So given Midjourney's humble roots, its results are quite impressive. We don't know everything about Midjourney's inner workings because it's closed source and runs on proprietary code. That said, we know enough about the underlying technology to offer a general explanation. Midjourney relies on two relatively new machine learning technologies, namely large language and diffusion models. You may already be familiar with the former if you've used AI chatbots like ChatGPT. A large language model first helps Midjourney understand the meaning of whatever you type into your prompts. This is then converted into what is known as a vector, which you can imagine as a numerical version of the prompt. Finally, the vector guides another complex process known as diffusion. A profile picture maker with artificial intelligence is a type of photo editing app that can automatically generate custom profile pictures for users. These applications use machine learning algorithms to analyze facial features and create unique image layouts using different backgrounds, filters, and other effects. The main advantage of using an AI-based profile picture maker is that it can save time and help users create professional-looking images without any special skills or knowledge in graphic design. Additionally, these apps can be fun and entertaining to use, with creative features like cartoon or avatar modes and various customization options to explore. However, it's important to note that not all artificial intelligence-generated images may be aesthetically pleasing or accurate representations of the user's identity. Spline.ai is a 3D design tool that helps users create 3D objects, animations, and textures using AI prompts. With the power of AI, users can generate objects and scenes simply by describing what they want to create, allowing them to design faster and expand their creative processes. Spline.ai is equipped with an AI textures feature, which generates seamless textures for objects using text prompts. The tool also enables users to modify objects, apply materials, add lighting, and experiment in real time with teammates. Spline.ai is suitable for designers looking for a way to optimize their workflow and expand their creative process by incorporating AI into their 3D design projects. Playground.ai is a web app that allows users to create AI art and share it with the community. It offers free Dall E2 image generation, automated art style prompts, free image upscaling, image saving on the cloud, and social media for AI-generated images. With the ability to generate up to 1,000 images per day for free, Playground.ai is a leading platform in the text-to-image generation space, with features that compare favorably to competitors like Midjourney and Stable Diffusion. As a social media platform, it allows users to follow other artists, appreciate and remix images created by other users, and share their own creations. Playground.ai is an artificial intelligence platform that generates images from text or image prompts. Users can download the generated images or display them on the site for likes. Playground offers preset filters to give images a specific ambience, or users can choose to work without them. The platform's sign-up process is simple and can be done through Google. Playground works as both an art generator and an editing tool. Playground uses artificial intelligence to accept inputs from users in the form of written descriptions or pictures and processes them under different conditions to create new images. Users can toggle sliders to decide how heavily their text and image prompts should inspire the resulting art and how much detail they want to see in their final image. There are settings to change the image dimensions and choose other existing AI models for unique results. We have come to the end of this video where we examine the features of useful artificial intelligence tools. Hope the video is helpful. My heart is with you and technology is with us. See you again.